Insights from Rudolf Steiner's lecture. Rudolf Steiner's profound lectures not only delve into the future appearance of the etheric Christ and the Maitreya Buddha, but also illuminated the intricate connection between Oriental mysticism and Christian wisdom, offering seekers a tapestry of spiritual understanding. Through his teachings, anthroposophy emerges as a guiding light, preparing individuals for the enigmatic spiritual transformations that lie ahead, urging them to grasp the essence of Christ for their journey beyond earthly realms into the afterlife. In addition, the relationship between the decay of light into electricity and the future evolution of Earth serves as a poignant reminder of the interconnectedness of cosmic forces and human consciousness. Steiner's insights shed light on the transformative power of these forces, guiding individuals towards a deeper understanding of their places within the grand tapestry of existence. By embracing the wisdom imparted in Steiner's lectures, individuals can navigate the complexities of modern life with grace and purpose, aligning themselves with the universal currents that shape the evolution of consciousness.